Hi everybody, I hope you're doing well. Of course, a lot of us are cooking at home these days, so I wanted to come up with a few recipes that are super easy to make that you can make at home in no time. Here's how you make an Insta Pot green chili chicken and rice recipe. You want to start with 1 cup of rice, 1 cup of mild green chili, 3 chicken thighs, or you can use chicken breasts if you want. Put them in the Insta Pot. Add your 1 cup of rice on top. Then gently pour 1 cup of water. Do not mix. And then top it off with your 1 cup of green chili. Once that's done, lock your lid in place. Set your pressure release to sealing. And mentally set your pressure to high for 20 minutes. Once it's done, release your pressure release and then open carefully. Then break apart your chicken and mix it. It's great just the way it is. However, if you want, you can put it in a tortilla and eat it that way. It is so easy and it's my kids' favorite recipe. Next, we have an easy lasagna with sausage, and we sneak in a little bit of veggies here. You're gonna start by cooking 1 pound of turkey sausage. You can add some fresh basil to it. Then, here's the secret here. Wrap a sweet potato in a wet paper towel. Cook it in the microwave for 5 minutes. I will tell you this, no one will ever know there is sweet potato in this lasagna. Once it is soft, you're gonna scoop out the sweet potato, add a little bit of water to this, and you're gonna blend it up so it turns into a sweet potato puree. Once that's done, add 1 jar of organic sauce to your turkey, or any kind of sauce, it really doesn't matter. Bring it to a boil, and then add your sweet potato puree. Mix it in. Next, you can add some garlic salt and then some salt and pepper to taste. Mix it together. All right, next you're gonna boil some lasagna separately. Now we start layering our sauce on our pasta. Start with your sauce, just do a quick bottom layer right there, and then put your pasta on top of it. Once that's done, you're gonna add a next layer of sauce. Add some ricotta, and then top that off with mozzarella once that is done. Repeat this 2 more times. And there you have your wonderful, easy lasagna with a little bit of healthy sneakiness inside. Cook it at 350 degrees for 45 minutes or until it's bubbly. Take a look at that. It is so yummy. It's my family's favorite. Of course, I want to thank you so much for watching. Be sure to share this video with all your friends, and we'd love you to subscribe. We'll see you next time.